son's out already too.
Mm-hmm.
So now you guys get to travel, relax.
Yep.
Whew. Just a little one down here. No trips to Europe or anything?
Not yet.
Jeez. I always wanted to go on one of those Viking cruises. That's the little river cruises out in Europe.
Oh, okay.
I heard that whenever you go to different stops, they serve the native delicacies from that region or whatever.
I haven't heard of those.
You haven't seen the commercials?
No.
Oh my God. Your experiences?
I think everyone should be able to come here and experience this because I've had back pain for probably 8 years, and I couldn't even get in the car and put my purse in the seat and then grab the seatbelt, and I would feel that low back pain, and that is gone. And I'm really thankful for this.
Yay, thank you.